And here we are with bike build number 3, the Kulana Moondog. Pretty sweet. We've got it about 80% done. Got the engine on, the chain, the sprocket, the tensioner. This is a nice bike. High-line graphics, dual hand brakes. Only thing we're waiting on is the clutch arm and the throttle arm. As soon as UPS brings them, we'll be able to finish this bad boy. This is gonna be a sweet bike. Can't wait to get it finished. It's gonna look awesome. It's gonna run like a banshee. Build number 3. Soon to be number 4. Should be up and running about the middle of next week.